Hello from my humble kitchen. I finally made it. I finally managed to make that soup. A healthy soup. It's very cold outside and I feel like I need something to warm me up. And this soup is something healthy. It's something that I want to share with you and I hope you like it too. Look who's here. Oh, she doesn't want to appear in this video, but you saw her. She comes and goes. Where was I? I was telling you about the soup. I really like the idea of a soup with pickled cabbage and mushrooms. Do you want some? Time for me to go out, so this is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing a light blouse because it's still warm outside, then this jacket, who knows, when I come back home maybe it will be cold. Then I have these comfortable jeans that I really love, my sport shoes from Skechers that are great for walking. They have that lovely foam core that everybody loves, and the bag from Catwalk that is very practical. You can fit a laptop in this bag. You can fit anything you like to carry. I should be going now, so I'll see you in town. Bye! By the way, have you seen this painting? It's an image of a wave. I did it back in 2007. It's an oil on canvas, and I wanted to share this painting with you before leaving. I'm now walking in the old town in Bucharest, and I was just thinking that when you grow up in Bucharest, you have these feelings about this town. At least I have them. I have something for these places because this is where I used to walk when I was going to school. And for example, these streets in the old town, I think that at night they are quite romantic and they're buzzing with people sometimes. Now it's so and so, it's not very busy, not very crowded, but still. Yes, so there are more other places that I can resonate with in this town. But let's go to that bookshop. I'm looking for a book in English, a novel, something. Let's see what I will find. I'm home. I hope you enjoyed the walk in the old town in Bucharest, because I always enjoy these walks. They relax me and it's nice to just go out and walk a bit. It's always a good habit. So, what I brought from that bookstore, I brought two books, one in English and one in Romanian. The one in English is called The Image of You. This is the book by Adele Parks. I read some reviews and it says that it's a psychological thriller. I'm curious how this book is going to be. There is a line here that it's a line on the cover that I really like, which is, I thought I knew you, but you're a liar. This is a line that makes you wonder what happened? What did that person do? It's obvious that that person lied, so it's a book that makes you read it until the end. I'm curious how it's going to be. It sounds like a promising book. The reviews are good, and I know that it's also a good book. And the writer Adele Parks is quite well known. Then I have the book by Sophie Kinsella. It's in Romanian, Mă dau în vânt după cumpărături. And now I need to translate. One second. Here the translation is The Secret Dream World of a Shopaholic. And obviously it's a book about shopping. Who doesn't like shopping? There might be some people that don't like shopping, but I do. And this book is not only about shopping, it's about all sorts of stories. I had a chance to read a bit from it and it's very funny. I recommend this book in case you are also a shopping lover. So why did I buy these two books? I bought them mainly for a good night routine, because every night I go to bed quite awake because I'm spending too much time in front of the computer, and I want to make a change to stop my phone activities or computer activities and to read some books. So I want to have time off from screens so that I have a good night's sleep and mood. So this is about habits, good habits that I kind of forgot, that I didn't do in years, and I want to get back on that healthy rhythm, you know, when you go to bed and you are sleepy, when you don't stay until 1 or 2 or 3 a.m. Googling something. That's the healthy rhythm I want to get into. So this was the vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed it. A bit brief, but I don't want to make it longer. I'm going to post a new vlog very soon. So I'll see you in the next one.